Today we're making cheesy roasted cauliflower with beautiful crispy golden brown edges on the outside, while the inside remains creamy, tender, and full of flavor. And all you need is a handful of ingredients to make it. To get all of the recipe details, you can visit sweetysalado.com/en. The first step is to cut and rinse the cauliflower. I'm using a medium-sized cauliflower, but you could also buy the pre-packaged cauliflower florets to make this recipe. And to cut a cauliflower into florets is really easy to do. All you have to do is remove the leaves at the bottom, then cut off the stem, and using that same knife, you're going to start cutting the cauliflower into pieces. You can also use your hands to do this. And then we're going to use that same knife to cut those large pieces of cauliflower into small florets. Once you have your cauliflower cut into florets, you're going to rinse them in cold water and then dry them. What I'd like to do is use my salad spinner to get rid of most of that water, and then I use a paper towel to pat them dry and get them as dry as possible. Once the cauliflower florets are dry, we're going to place them in a large bowl to season them. We're going to start by adding oil. You can use your favorite type of oil. I love using olive oil for this recipe. And then we're just going to simply season them with garlic powder and paprika, but you can use your favorite seasonings for this recipe. We're going to season with salt and black pepper to taste. And we're also going to add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Using your hands, we're going to toss the cauliflower florets and make sure that everything is evenly coated. To bake the cauliflower, we're going to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper, which is optional. And then we're going to evenly spread it, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. We're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 425 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it's golden brown and crispy. Then we take it out of the oven and sprinkle it with more Parmesan cheese right before serving. And that is all you need to make crispy, golden brown, roasted cauliflower that is covered with that delicious flavor of Parmesan cheese, making it the perfect side dish for any occasion.